Hi everyone, this is Lauren Cristaldi with XeoMatrix, and today I'm back with another tips and tricks about Viz Extensions. So here you see we're in Tableau Desktop. I'm just connected to some sample Superstore. If we go to our marks card, we go to Viz Extensions, we'll add that extension. We can start here with some of the Tableau extensions that are free. The most popular one would be the Sankey. I've seen that used a lot. So we select that and then open. Now all you have to do is bring in a couple dimensions for our levels and then a measure for our link. So if we link based on sales, let's say, and then let's do the category, the first level, and let's try customer name for the second. Now here we see there's a lot of customers. So another cool thing we can do, let's go to that customer name. If we just filter by, let's say, just the top 10 by the sales that we're looking at. Say OK. Now we can see those Sankey lines going to certain customers based on the category. If we want to see customer to category instead, we can move that pill down and it'll adjust the order of the levels. And there are further formatting capabilities here. We can change the different colors, or if you want to change the font size or anything, then you can do that here as well. Or the padding, how the Sankey is laid out. So definitely a lot easier than, making this from scratch and having to do all kinds of crazy math. Another Viz extension that I wanted to highlight here would be InfoTopics. Now they are free to start, but for full data capability or full capability, you would need to subscribe. And really it's a very reasonably priced service, so highly recommend go to their website and you can view all of the details with that. So if we go, you can see all of the different ones they offer. I think the most popular right now would be like the Right Back Extreme, which you can see more about on their website, as well as these Power KPIs. So if we try out the Power KPIs, we can open, and then OK. And here you can see, you can drag in, let's do category again. And then for measure values, if we use sales again, and we just need a date. And there you go. We have these beautiful KPI cards all in one sheet, so they're more performant than usual. Usually we'd have to make several sheets potentially or other calculations, and it can just take more time. But this only took a few seconds, so it's pretty cool. And again, we can go up here. You can format them in different colors and layouts, and they give you different options. It's very powerful. So anyway, thank you. I hope you enjoy your Viz extensions.